Thank you a million for everything, everybody. Thank you all for being here. Thank you to New Jersey Realtors for coming. Jeff, Nick, I can't thank you guys enough for being here. It means the world to me. Yes, and Gloria and Robert, my other two, sorry, my other two New Jersey Realtors as well. They're just locals, so to me it's like, okay. The Moore leadership team, the staff, my family and friends, I can't thank you enough for being here. First, I'd like to start out by thanking God. I am truly blessed for being here today and to be here with all of you. Then I would like to thank my parents. Woo! Woo-hoo! Eileen and Frank, for the morals, the values that you have instilled in all of us over your 61 years of marriage. And to my 4 siblings, their spouses, my 7 nieces, my 1 nephew, 5 dogs, for all of your love and support, and the kids for their tech support. Because without them, I don't know anything. I'd also like to thank my brother's mother-in-law, Eva, for being here, who was a realtor years ago with Weichert and was my biggest advocate for getting into the business. Thank you, Eva. And Eddie for joining us and being here tonight as a great family friend. I thank you. Now, on to a quick rundown of how I got involved in the board, which will tie into my initiatives for the coming year, but I promise I'm going to keep it short. Not like Robert. My career in real estate began in 1996. I started out at Better Homes in Middletown. I always wanted to be the best I could be in the business, so I always took designation classes, many education courses as I could, which led to meeting Diane Traverso. We never worked together, but we were always taking the same classes. Then I attended a seminar at Branches that was held by Women's Council of Realtors. And there was Diane who says, "Oh, do you want to help me fill these bags?" Yes. Next thing I knew, I was a Women's Council member, membership chair, and then moved up to president in 2014 and 15. Thanks, Diane. But I think I got you back, Madam Treasurer, right? I eventually moved to Heritage House Sotheby's with Mary Burke, where I have made many lifelong friendships with amazing people who are here tonight. I had an awesome manager friend, Louise Lugato, who unfortunately left this world too soon, but that led to us getting a new manager, Robert White. Need I say more? Robert was always saying, join a committee, get involved, so I did. I went to work with the Public Relations Committee where I got to meet the amazing Joanne Conroy. I love you to death, my friend. Even though you're an Eagles fan. And I also got to meet Marie McAndrew, who is unfortunately not here tonight, but I almost ran her over with my car in a Belmar event. Driving the car on the grass to get the board bags and giveaways there. And that's how our bond became with Marie. But I mean, I love you guys to death, I really do. Then Robert moved me on to being a director. I applied and I did get accepted. And then we are here today. Robert, I cannot thank you enough for getting me involved, for all that you have taught me, and especially your friendship. Love you to death. Aruba, here we come. We're going to work on that. We're going to work on a meeting to be in Aruba. Board of Directors meeting in Aruba.
Only I'll be.
When I was a new agent, I was afraid of the board. You only went to the board if you were in trouble, or so I thought. By being involved in the committees, you get to see the association in a totally different light, in action, and the hard work that they do for us and our members. Now I love going to the board. Sometimes I have too much fun and have gotten shooed out of there by Brian a few times for being disruptive, so I'm sorry. But now they're stuck with me. I love you guys and I look forward to working with you next year. The relationships you make with other agents once you get involved is priceless. My local involvement led to getting involved on the state and national level, where you attend conferences, learn valuable information about the business that we are so involved in, and make strong bonds with other leaders who become wonderful friends for life. All I can say is you do not want to know what went on with Mary and Laura in Alcatraz. Just saying. There's videos. Seriously, this takes me to two special leaders, now friends, our governor and immediate past president, Wendy Smith, and New Jersey Realtor Treasurer, Gloria Siciliano. I admire these women so much that I wanted to work with them. I am honored to be the manager of Gloria's Oakhurst office and part of the RE/MAX family since last April. I love my new job and my new coworkers. Wendy did an awesome job these past 2 years as president, and one of her tasks was to hire a new CEO, which wasn't easy, but the outcome was amazing. We hired Brian Hutchinson. Brian and his lovely wife, Karen, are from Texas, if you could not tell. Bless your heart. Brian has done an amazing job since he has been here. It has been a pleasure getting to know you, and thank you for all you have accomplished so far. Really, the best part is that he is a Cowboy fan, and the water cooler has changed to Dallas. Thrilled to death. Whatever. Honestly, I really look forward to working with you, my friend, in the future, and I cannot wait. Now I will be wrapping it up, but I'd like to thank, shut up. But I'd like to tie in those involvement stories. My task for the year is the task to ask, and which is to ask one person that you know to get involved so that we can keep our membership and our association growing to the level that we need it to be. So if everyone would just join me and ask one person to get involved, I greatly appreciate that. I will also be this new C2EX, which is the Commitment to Excellence Ambassador, so we will be hearing that coming down the pipe. I would also like to congratulate Laura Costella and the newly installed WCR members. I would like to congratulate the Moore officers and directors and look forward to working with you all in 2022. And I am so proud of our members for their support of RPAC and ask you to continue to invest in our industry. And I look forward to working with you all in 2022. And I thank you so much.